fun science experiment. But first, we need to make some
Fizzy ice cubes!
Do you know what fizzy ice cubes are?
No!
Well, stay tuned to find out and have some science fun with us! So what are fizzy ice cubes? Fizzy ice cubes are made from baking soda and water, which are frozen in an ice cube tray, of course. To make these amazing fizzy ice cubes, you will only need 5 things. Some water, 1 cup of baking soda, food coloring, we will be using pink, 1 ice cube tray, and a jar or a bowl. And for the experiment, you will need some vinegar and different tools such as syringes, plastic spoons, and measuring cups. Now let's make our fizzy ice cubes. Step 1. In the bowl, mix together the baking soda, water, and food coloring. The baking soda will make the ice cubes fizzy. Step 2. Now transfer the mixture to the ice cube tray and freeze until completely frozen. You may need to freeze it overnight. Step 3. Transfer the cubes into a big bowl or container. So what is the shape and color of the ice cubes?
They are pink semicircles.
Step 4. Now pour the vinegar over the ice cubes and observe what happens. When you pour the vinegar over the ice cubes, it starts to fizz and melt.
Wow, it's so cool!
When baking soda is mixed with vinegar, something new is formed. The mixture quickly foams up with carbon dioxide gas. If enough vinegar is used, all the baking soda can be made to react and disappear into the vinegar solution. Now that was a super fun experiment. You have to try it. And if you do, send us some pictures or let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.